Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Alright guys, so this is going to be a super quick video. So many of you have asked about this wave projector here. So basically it comes with lights and sounds, and it makes it seem like you are underwater. And it comes with this awesome remote where you can control all the things and change the colors. I'm going to turn the light off really quickly, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, because you asked. So you turn it on and stop it. So pretty. It looks like you're underwater right now. This is a green and blue, but you can change the colors with the remote, and you can change it to pretty much anything that you would like. Right now it's green, red, which is, I don't know, we're in hell apparently. My favorite is the strictly blue. Oh, you can also make it flash, but red. And then this blue, come on, aerial vibes. And it literally goes across all the way. So imagine that you are just laying in bed and it feels like you are underwater. Like I said, you can also change, and you can change the lighting as well and make it kind of flashy, and you can change how fast they swirl. I don't know, it's amazing. Yeah. You can find them on Amazon. This was a gift, and it's super convenient, and I'm so excited for guests to stay here and feel like they are underwater in our little guest room here. All right, guys, so that was it. You guys asked, and we delivered. Make sure that you comment, rate, subscribe. Would you love this? Would this freak you out? What color would you choose? Let us know. Love you guys.